Hello, and welcome to a P11D Organiser tutorial, a quick and easy way to become a P11D expert. We will be covering these topics in today's video. Please sit back, relax, and let us do the explaining.
The P11D Organiser software has a full government gateway client built in, so all we need to do at this stage is click HMRC filing and end-of-year filing by internet. And that will take us to the submission screen. The submission is always a two-stage process. Stage 1 is to prepare all the data for the submission. Stage 2 is the actual submission to HMRC. So we're going to prepare a submission. It's going to make sure you have the right sender details and then go through and check the actual submission data against the HMRC schema. So we're checking that you don't have any duplicate NI numbers. We're also checking that you don't have things like negative values. Once the check is complete, the organiser will give you a quick summary of what you're about to submit. It will show you how many employees are in the submission, how many benefits of each type, as well as a confirmation of the amount liable Class 1A and the amount you have to owe over to HMRC. We're now in a position where we can submit. We're going to press the Send Submission button, and again, it's going to check everything's okay. It's going to check where HMRC are going to send the confirmation, and then it's going to talk to the government gateway. Up here you can see the software is communicating with the government gateway. This is the unique reference for if there's any questions about this submission, and we just wait for it to put a date time in the bottom here. Once that is done, that means all the P11Ds and the P11DB have reached HMRC, and then we'll send an email confirming the submission. The submission is now done, and all that's there to do is to send over the money by the 22nd of July.
Thank you for watching. For more information, you can go to our support website, support.p11dorganiser.co.uk.